So hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults and we bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So today I'm right at Monarch Avenue, opposite or behind Helu Estate. Yeah, you all know that Helu Estate is one of the fastest developing estates and one of the best estates right here in the city of Enugu. So there is a property that is for sale right behind Helu Estate, and it is an 8-bedroom duplex. Yeah, it is an 8-bedroom duplex right here at Helu Estate. Now this particular property is just along the tarred road. As you can see from here, you check very well, you see the tarred road down that way. You see vehicle passing there, and then this is Helu Estate. You can see the district. This is Helu Estate, which is opposite Centenary. So now this property comes with a deed of assignment and a registered survey plan, and now it is selling for 200 million naira. Now the thing is, this property is negotiable, right? This property is negotiable. It is almost 100% finished. The only thing you have to do is to run your type of finishings and also put some POP and some other lightings, and also do some landscape in this particular building. Now this building is sitting on a 560 square meters. Yeah, a 560 square meters, and it is 8-bedroom fully detached duplex. So I would want you to come along with me so that I will show you this particular duplex, so you see how it looks like, and then we'll continue from there. Thank you very much. So this is the outside of the building, and it is very spacious, all fully fenced, and it is in a livable area. Now this is the entrance. You can see that there are still some few works to be done in this particular house, right? They've not done the painting, they've not done the plastering of the fence, and they've not done the landscaping. Now this particular building is very negotiable, right? Because we want it to be affordable for our clients, and that is why we are bringing it at this price and also making it negotiable for anybody that wants to buy it. Remember, this particular house is within the town, is inside the town, so it is very accessible to Independence Layout. It is very accessible to anywhere you want to go to in the city of Enugu State. Now this is the major living room. As you can see, it is very spacious. It has this spiral staircase, and there are few works to be completed in this particular house. You can see that some part has not, they've not fixed the POP for some part, and some other areas they've fixed it. Now this is the dining area that leads to the kitchen, and now this is the corridor. Like, this is the passage, the corridor, and it has, this particular house have 2 staircases. One is a hidden staircase and the other one is a staircase from the living room. Now we have over 3 rooms downstairs, and we have 5 rooms upstairs. Now this is the kitchen, very spacious and very wide. You can see how big it looks. Now while coming inside this house, you meet the anteroom. From the anteroom you go to you see the visitors bedroom and toilet, and then you see the living room. From the living room you can access it to the dining, to the kitchen, to the lobby, to also the spaces upstairs. You can see how beautiful this particular house looks. Imagine finishing this particular house and living in it. You can see that view, how it looks like. Now, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified when I drop new updates. Now, this is one of the rooms upstairs, and this is the convenience for the room. You can see how spacious it is. This is the second room, and you will see that it has a balcony. It also has a walk-in closet with a shower, and you can see the environment of this particular place is already a livable area. People are living here already, and like I said before, it is behind Helu Estate, and you know Helu Estate is a developed estate already. Now, this is the family lounge. Yeah, this is the family lounge upstairs, and here is the balcony that shows you a view of how every other place looks like. Now, I know that this particular house is very, very beautiful, and you are interested in this property. So all you have to do is to call Josh Consults so we can bring you here for inspection and booking of this particular house. So this is the master's bedroom. You can see it is well cross ventilated. It has two entrances, from the lobby upstairs and also from the one at the balcony by the front. Now, this is the walk-in closet, and it has a shower that is very, very, very spacious. Now, this particular house is very, very negotiable. If you're interested, call us now.